Okay, so today we're looking at these, which is the Marshall Major 4 headphones. Now these are obviously cans you can put straight over your ears, so I'm just going to give a quick unbox. We'll take a closer look at them now. Okay, so these are the Marshall Major 4. They obviously Bluetooth. They've got 80 plus hours of wireless playtime and integrated wireless charging. Please excuse the lawnmower next door. They just decided to start mowing the lawn at this very moment. Okay, so in the box we've got the cans, got paperwork, quick start guide, and underneath the panel there we have the USB-C charging cable and the phono cable should you wish to go wired. Okay, so underneath you've got the USB charging port, you've got the phono port if you want to have these wired, and then a little sort of dial I think to control possibly the volume. Okay, so it looks like this little knob underneath basically controls the power on. It controls, I think, the volume up and down, and I think there's another option as well to maybe connect to music or Bluetooth or something like that. I'll explore that a bit more as I try them on now. Okay, so the Major 4 delivers 80 plus solid hours of battery, and it's wireless as well. The Major 4's new ergonomic design means that when you're deep diving into music, they claim that the 10th hour is just as comfortable as the very first hour that you put them on. So they reckon you can put these on for 10 hours. You won't feel any discomfort, any pressure, anything like that. So if you're going on like flights, long trips, things like that, apparently these are the cans for you. So it's got new ear cushions, it's got 3D hinges, it's got a straight fit headband, loop wire with reinforced dampers. So the Major 4 headphones can be charged wirelessly, so it's going to be a lot easier for you to charge these cans. And the multi-directional knob will help you control the volume. And the multi-directional knob helps you control your phone's functionality and music with ease. Okay, so now time for the sound test. Let's see if we can get this connected to my old phone. Okay, it's simple to connect to your Bluetooth as well. Just hold down that little knob on the side of the earbud. So it's easy to connect to your phone as well. So just hold down on that little knob that I showed you before. As you hold it down, just search for the headphones with your phone. And as you're still holding it down, it should then pair with the headphones. These are very, very good, as you'd expect for the price, which I'll come to in a minute. Now, they offer very deep, rich sounds. They're very light. They've got the classic retro look. I'm really, really impressed with these. I've just been playing a song called More Chiba by the Sea to test it. I can't play it on this video, so because of copyright. It's bassy, it's clear, it's deep, it's crisp. They're light, reasonably affordable at £116.96 at the time of recording, reduced from £129.99. Some Amazon accounts you can get a plan, so you can pay it monthly over 3 or 5 months. Might be worth doing if you can't afford the initial outlay. But I'm impressed. I like them. My wife bought them. I'm testing them. I might just keep them. So I haven't told her that yet. But yeah, definitely will be using them again in the future. That's pretty much it for this video, so thank you very much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if it gives you some value. Leave a comment if you've got any questions. See you on the next one, and make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss it. Bye bye for now. See you soon.